So what's going to happen? All right, so we just need to have the boat run down to Ensenada now. And I got to get a hold of the captain and see if he can run it. Yeah, I know. So when's this thing gonna be there? A month? It's gonna take another month.
Oh no.
Okay. Well, we gotta get it out of San Diego. We gotta get it off those docks. The Muni docks only let us stay so long. Yeah, so I'll get a hold of the captain and we'll get it run down there. Okay, so there's a marina down there. You're gonna send me all the information? Okay, we'll get it down there. And there's no risk on anything with the cradles and stuff? Got it all in Florida, and so it'll come through the Panama and you'll have it? Okay. But we're not gonna see this thing until Christmas. The boat's going the wrong direction. We need to get it up to the northwest, and it keeps going south. So we hired a captain, ran the boat down to Ensenada, and moored it there for a month before the AAL Bangkok was able to show up so that we could put the Elli-Yacht on her deck and get it up to Victoria.
Christmas Ship Festival is an annual tradition since 1949, and since our boat is still being shipped, we decided to take the cruise.
Happy holidays to all.
And where are we going to be next year?
On a boat.
Right here.
Not this boat, our boat.
Boom!
And my brother and I both won for best costumes. In the meantime, our boat left Ensenada and started making its way up the coast to Victoria, BC. But there was a storm brewing and the swells were high and it delayed the trip. So we watched it go around in circles in California for days. What's wrong with this picture is the ship has been circling around for about 2 weeks now and is headed to Long Beach for supplies, and we literally purchased our boat in Huntington Beach. Can't believe it. So it finally left Southern California and made it up the coast to San Francisco, but we're leaving on vacation.
Ready to start this vacation?
Yeah.
Ugh. That's heavy. That's a big watermelon. That's a lot of drink in there. But we'll have help, right?
Right.
Our friends will help us.
There you go. Have a drink.
Cheers!
So the boat is finally making its way up the Oregon coast. The course they had to go on, it was pretty crazy because the swells were both. They had a swell, first swell and a second swell, 12 to 14 feet. So they really kind of had to go back and forth to be able to negotiate that. I guess that's the reason why we don't bring it up on its own bottom, especially in the middle of the winter.
So it finally made the final stretch from San Francisco up the Oregon coast and around the Horn to Victoria.
You get on a plane, go back and pick up the boat. It should be picked up at 1 o'clock in Victoria. So the captain's going to clear customs for us, get us through the border and Roach Harbor, do a washdown on the boat, and we'll probably fly up there on Kenmore Air. And we'll get some footage of that. That should be fun. We'll fly up there. It's like a 50-minute flight, and we'll run the boat back if weather looks good, hopefully. All right, so today our boat finally came in. Our ship came in. It should be in Victoria literally in like 25 minutes. So we'll have to see how did it fare after 28 days sitting on the deck of a freighter. Yeah. Celebration.
I'm excited.
Yeah, and hopefully we don't have to use that Lloyd's of London insurance policy for anything that went wrong. Anyhow, that's why you have insurance, I suppose.
Yep.
Yeah. All right. Still in Mexico, but I guess we brought some of the Seattle weather with us.
A little rainy today.
Yeah.
We'll see. Maybe thunderstorms.
So we'll cut this short so you don't have to look at the bouncy video, but we'll catch you up more.
Okay, John, how many times have you seen it rain at Paradise Village in January?
Out of 20 years, I think we had 1 week. Here we are.
Here we are.
Here we are.
It's kind of crazy, but it's warm.
It's warm rain.
Everyone's running. There they go.
Oh, it's not bad.
For the afternoon.
We can run from.
Can you believe what was supposed to be a 5-day trip turned into a 28-day trip? Oh my gosh, it's so scary to watch. So the captain took this video for us in Victoria as it was being lowered. So close, so close. Just a little bit more, and we'll be safe.
That's awesome. All right, well, cool. All right, how did any damage on the boat, or does it look like it's pretty good? Okay, that's wonderful. Well, yeah, I'm sure Craig told you I'm kind of a picky fucker. I think he actually made the comment that it's like I would hate to sell Elli-Yacht a boat. Anyhow. Well, hey, thank you so much. You took a ton of worry off of our hearts as we were going through all this, so I really appreciate everything. Oh, sweet. You've been wonderful. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you, and I will, Carlin and I will see you tomorrow.